Mga Chinggo, update lang tayo sa pambato natin sa Miss Cosmo na si Miss Chelsea Fernandez. Nasa Vietnam na siya. Panoorin natin tong video niya. So, eto na. Ang ganda naman niya.
Hello! It feels so great to be interviewed by Thai
Thai
Sashes.
sachet.
I think this
Thai
is my
sashes.
first time to hold this mic. Yeah, first time to meet Thai Sashes.
Ang ganda niya, no? Napaka-fresh ng kanyang aura.
Oh, actually, this is my
Looks.
fourth time. And they say that four times the charm, right? And even though this is my fourth time, I still want to explore more, to discover more about this beautiful country, and definitely immerse myself in its culture. Because if I do that, I will grow and learn
Mm-mm.
more about
Tama.
this beautiful country. So, very excited. I'm over the moon right now. Very, very happy. And I cannot wait also to meet all of the delegates for this year's edition.
Wow.
I am not sure, but I think we're 80 plus candidates,
Dami
if
ah,
I'm
80
not
plus.
mistaken. So we're really a lot, but I hope to meet them and just bond with them. I'll just enjoy this competition, even though this is still a competition. But of course, I will embrace every
Tama.
moment of it.
You can send some message to your family, to your friends, happy birthday. You
Yeah.
come to the top with the
Ay, of course. Sa aking pong mga kababayan, lalo't lalo na sa aking mga kaibigan at pamilya, andito na po ako sa bansa ng Vietnam, and I am carrying our flag, the Philippines, and I cannot wait to shout our country on that international stage and make you proud once again.
Yun.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Ganda niya, no?
Thai.
Grabe, no? Kumikinang sa ganda si Miss Chelsea Fernandez. And yun nga, supportahan natin si Miss Chelsea sa kanyang laban sa Miss Cosmo 2025. Alright? Kung nagustuhan nyo to guys, bigyan nyo malaking likes, mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa aking channel. You know? Bye po!